Welcome to my channel Yantra Rakshana. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Today I am going to explain how to test total hardness of water using the EDTA titration method. First, take a measuring cylinder and measure the sample of water in this test. I have taken 25 ml of water sample. Now pour the 25 ml water sample into the clean conical flask. After, add ammonia buffer solution 3 to 4 drops in the conical flask. Adding the ammonia buffer solution After, add a small pinch of Erythrome black tea (EBT) indicator into the same conical flask. Now gently shake the conical flask will be observe the solution change to pink color. This indicates the presence of hardness in the water. Take the burette glass tube already filled with EDTA solution. Check the initial reading of EDTA solution. There is the initial reading is 0.5 ml. Fix the burette properly on the stand. Now place the conical flask below the burette nozzle. Slowly open the burette valve and add EDTA solution drop by drop into the conical flask while continuously shaking the flask. Continuous adding a EDTA solution until the pink color changes to blue. Shake the conical flask. Continuous adding a EDTA solution and shake the conical flask. Once the color changes completely to blue, close the burette valve. Now note the final reading of burette glass tube EDTA solution. Final reading of the burette is 7.2 ml. Total hardness normality fixed EDTA normality is 0.01 N. Take the burette reading BR. Burette initial value 0.5 ml. Burette final value 7.2 mm. Burette reading final value minus initial value 6.7 ml. Formula of total hardness Br into normality into 100 into 1000 divided by sample value ml. 6.7 into 0.01 into 100 into 1000 divided by 25. Total hardness is 268 ppm. Parts